Hello guys, my name is Ariel Ray. Welcome back to my channel. It's really good to have you. So, excuse my kind of like, how do you say it? I wouldn't say disturbed, but a little bit annoyed face that I have on. So, I just finished swatching a palette for you guys, and my son came running in and I had to pause the video because, and I accidentally stopped the video, and so here I am again restarting this video again for you guys. I'm not going to swatch this palette again, but luckily I still have the swatches on my arm. I will show you the palette that I'm talking about. So let me get into the intro. We are unboxing the second box for February's Boxycharm, which was supposed to be here like a whole month ago almost, just about. And it barely arrived because of the weather, the pandemic, and la-da-da-da-da. So here we are today. Let's go ahead and get started and get into this video because goodness gracious. And baby just might make an appearance. So you can hear him. He's watching TV. He's right here. So the first palette I received in my box this month is because I resubscribed to my Boxycharm on my second account. So if you guys do not know what Boxycharm is a $25 subscription for beauty, and sometimes they send you lifestyles. They have 3 tiers. They have a base box, they have a premium box, and they have a Luxe box. Your base box goes for $25, your premium goes for $35, and your Luxe goes quarterly, so every 3 months, and that is $50. So when you purchase the Boxy Luxe, when you upgrade to the Boxy Luxe, you will not receive your base box for the $25. You will receive your Boxy Luxe. So you'll be charged $25 for your Boxy Luxe, and then you'll be charged the rest of the box price for the Boxy Luxe. You will not get the same products as Boxy Luxe and Premium. If you do want to receive your Boxy Luxe and your base box, you would have to make a second account. So because I resubscribed to my second account, I was gifted an eyeshadow palette. So I was gifted, I was going to put it back in, but no. Well, I guess whatever. So I was gifted this lovely eyeshadow palette. If you guys are new, if you go onto my Instagram, I have colorful looks. I have been out of colorful looks for a while, which I really need to get inspired and get back into them because I'm kind of like wanting to reintroduce myself to color again because I've been so neutral. So before, when I had all my colorful looks, I wasn't pregnant. I didn't have a baby, so I had all the time in the world, pretty much. And now I have a baby, so it's hard for me to have that time. So the little bit of time that I am on YouTube, my baby pretty much makes an appearance with me. So let's just hope that he don't come on too soon today. So I was gifted this one from it's called the Eloise, the Queen eyeshadow palette. So when you open it, it looks like this. It has a huge mirror. And then we have all these colors. As you can see, I have swatched the colors. So this is it. We have 20 pigment. This is a 20 pigment palette. It's 4 stunning textures. It has 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and a duochrome topper. I'm not sure which one the duochrome topper is because I've already swatched them. So as you can see, here are the shades. Okay, next palette, the palette that I received in my box this month for the month of February. Goodness gracious, is this beautiful palette right here. I love the packaging. It's so beautiful. So we also have this gold detailing here. I was going to say it's probably like a little bit raised. I love how it has like the different textures, and so it has like a gloss. So you can see that it's really pretty. And this is the Ace Beauté Nostalgia palette. So when you open it, here's another colorful palette. Like I said, I've been more into neutrals lately. I don't know, it's just, but I haven't been really into pinks. So the most interesting color in here is maybe this green one here, that gold, this terracotta brown, this pink down here, Of course, your base color. I'm kind of interested in this color, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch this. This is the shade Heat. Okay, so these are they're very, very soft formula. So I'm going in with my left hand. I was like, what happened? So we have the other Eloise, the Queen on here. And we're going to go ahead and go with the Nostalgia palette. Oh, very pretty. I love the formula. It does have a sparkle to it. Very pretty. Let me get a wipey here because I'm gonna make a mess. And I gotta hurry because my husband's gonna come home for lunch soon and I gotta go get started. So the next one is Stargazing. So this one is very interesting to me too as well. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one. Very, very soft. Pigmented. Oh, that's pretty. I think I can create a really good look with this. Next is, we're going to go into this, it's not a magenta, it's like a burgundy. And this is the shade Raspberry. Oh, it's a raspberry shade. Ooh, that is very dark and pigmented. You might have to watch it. Hopefully it's not going to be patchy. Some are patchy, you know. We just got to make sure with the formula. Make sure you blend well and go easy in when you put an eyeshadow on, because you can always add more, but you can never take back. So the next one I'm going to go into Camping, and this is just like toasty. It's hard to see on camera, but it's like a toasty red. Oh wow, that's a pretty color. So there's that shade. And the next one I'm going to go in with is Beach. Very, very soft. And then just for fun, we'll go in with Hiking, which is this brown. Very, very pigmented. A little bit patchy, but this one's a little bit drier formula, the mattes are, but the metallics are very, very soft. So there's this palette. I'm going to go ahead and show you one more time. I should have did that green because I was kind of interested in that green. Right? There's a green? Yeah. There's this green right here. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this one. They're drier formula, so. Oops. There's that one. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and wipe these off because I will get it everywhere. Okay. So, as you can tell, these are going to stain. So make sure you put a base down. Especially those pinks. Okay. Okay, moving on. So the next thing in the box is going to be from Glamir. So this is a brush set. I hate the way it smells like. Okay, so it's by Glamir. It's a plastic packaging. It's glittery and sparkly. Reminds me of like the 90s. Okay, and so we get 4 brushes here. We have a shader brush. It's pretty fluffy. We also have these really pretty hearts for the theme of Valentine's. Really cute. The next one we have is a shape like a blender brush. A buffing brush, a little one. It's more how do you say it? These are cute. And then we have also a liner brush. So you can use this for your brows or for your under eye. And then we also have this little bitty one here. And this one you can use for your inner corner highlight and your brow bone highlight. So we have 4 brushes. I love brushes, so I don't mind getting brushes. These are so cool. Okay, the next thing in the brush. Oh, I should be reading to you what everything values for. If I can find my little... Okay, so the Ace Beauté Nostalgia Palette, which is the first one. I don't know how much that Eloise one is because it's not going to be on here. But it retails for $38, $38.99. So the Nostalgia Palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and most excellent color payoff. This retails for $38.99. And then next we have the Glamir Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection, which retails for $29.95. So it's a glittery, enchanting, and fun. This set of brushes features 4 essential eye brushes, ultra soft duo synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless. So we have these. And these retail for $29.95. Okay. So there's that. Bless you, baby. The next thing that's going to be in this box is going to be... Oh, I don't know why I thought this was going to be glass. Is it? I think this is glass. Okay, so this is by NCLA. This is it's NCLA Los Angeles Treatments So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. So it's a cuticle oil, and this cuticle oil, it's a So Rich Love Potion. You'll heart this limited edition Valentine's Day cuticle oil. The cult favorite So Rich formula contains safflower, seed oil, and vitamin E to hydrate and nourish your cuticles. It retails for $18. Honestly, I'm not really big on cuticle oils. I don't know if you can see my cuticles, but I really don't have dry cuticle oils, surprisingly enough. And that's because I use a lot of Clorox with like chemicals and everything. But honestly, I will not use this. Why? Because I don't like glitter. Like, I can't use like pressed glitters on my eyes. I don't know. I just don't like the fallout. I mean, I will use it sometimes, not all the time, but this to have on my hands, no, thank you. So I'm not excited about that. So I will be getting rid of that. I don't want it. And the next thing in my box is going to be a repeat item from one of our previous boxes for this month. So that is the Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. This says, get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. This lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. The sheer tint blends effortlessly onto skin, while the clear shimmer-free balm provides comfortable hydration and glow. And this retails for $22. I'm going to grab the other one because I don't want to open this one. My towel's already going to fall off. I think what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to put that one in a giveaway. Okay, so here is this one. This is what it looks like. It's a duo date lip and cheek. So you have your cream blush here, and then you have a balm down here. I gotta hurry up because my phone's gonna die. But that's what this is. This retails for, what did I say? $22. The next and last thing in this box is going to be the Probiotic Skincare by Tula. This is a soap poreless. I've never tried Tula. I've heard kind of mixed things. Some people love it, some people hate it. So it's just a trial and error thing. So we'll see. I will see. It says feed your skin the good stuff, formulated without parabens, sulfates, phthalates, mineral oil, petroleum, formulated, triclosan, retinol, and gluten synthetic fragrance. We are cruelty free. This is clean and effective. So purifying, so poreless. Says apply on clean skin with warm water, gentle massage in a circular motion before rinsing through. Thoroughly use 2 to 3 times per week. He's getting fussy. Okay. Oh, I love the packaging. It's very pretty. So this is going to be a cleanser. It's going to be actually I think it's a scrub. It's exfoliating. So it's a Tula Skincare Soap Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Got pores, get this. Created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel. This scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. This retails for $32. So okay. He made it. Just to look at the TV from there. Okay, so sorry you guys. Didn't mean to flash you. So overall, I'm kind of on the fence about my box, but I mean, nevertheless, I'm happy I get to get another set of brushes because, like I said, I love brushes. The Tula Skincare, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. I am going to go ahead and put this in a giveaway. So, I just dropped a brush. And then we have the 2 eyeshadow palettes. But, again, one of them was free. And then, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the Cuticle Oil. So, it's 5. I'm okay with my box. I am satisfied with my box. So, there's only 2 products that I'm not going to keep, which is the Cuticle Oil and the Lip and Cheek Duo. So, overall, I think I'm very satisfied with my box. Let me know what you guys think. Have you got this box? Are you excited? Have you tried any of these products? Have you tried the Tula Skincare? I would really like to know. Please leave a comment down below. So, I'm going to be putting some stuff together for a giveaway for you guys, because we are almost at 50 subscribers. So I want to give back to you guys. So I love you all, and I hope you have an amazing, beautiful day. I'm going to go ahead and close this video out. Also, I'm going to be posting another video. Maybe I'll do it here shortly. But I want to show you I want to show you guys something that I haven't seen a lot of people do. And I just found an amazing drugstore mascara that I am in love with, and I feel like I cannot live without it. And the way I curl my eyelashes, I'm going to show you guys a tip and tricks, and I'm so excited to show you guys how to keep your eyelashes curled. I have very flat, you can't even see. Okay, you can see. I have very flat, straight eyelashes. I don't have many eyelashes. That's due to a thyroid. When I had my thyroid was really bad, so my eyelashes, I don't have very thick and voluptuous lashes like I used to. Well, I don't know if I ever did. Anyways, I'm going to show you some tricks. So go ahead and make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button. That way you're notified for each time that I post a video. Here's my crazy hair. I just washed it, so it's a little bit nuts. So go ahead, like I said, do that real quick, and be on the lookout for my next video. I love you guys. I hope you have an amazing, wonderful, beautiful day. Bye, you guys. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, you guys.